one thing.
Yeah, okay.
Your people like karaoke so much. It surprised me always.
I totally agree with that. that one.
Anytime you can see someone doing karaoke anywhere, even we notice some. I noticed someone doing karaoke in Singapore. I told my mama, yeah, it is Filipino. I am sure. No, si balasi. They were singing that one. I just because your people like that one
Yeah, yeah.
much.
I-
Your people like enjoying.
Yeah.
Your people like partying.
You like party and mostly is singing also. But
Yes. You don't
I'm
like.
not very good in singing. I'm just listening.
I am also
good
very
in
bad. But
singing.
after
I'm just
drinking some,
listening.
I am also very bad. But after drinking some, it's everyone is a good singer.
In general,
Every
do
Filipino.
you have any recommendation to how to improve our country?
I don't find myself in that position
Yeah,
to
yeah.
recommend anything.
Yeah.
But according to my observation,
Yeah.
you need you need to find better rulers who are not going to work for themselves but
Oh,
work for
okay.
people.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Investor.
even my little experience, I see there's corruption everywhere.
Yeah, I agree.
And also, if you don't have an uncle, it's not good to find a good job in government.
Thank you.
So this is maybe the most important reason why your country is not going development as fast as you deserve, your people deserve.
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And my next question is, if you rate Philippines, 10 is the highest, what's the rate for Philippines? 10 is the highest.
Yeah, I give 10 because my heart belongs to Philippines. So
Thank you so much.
It's not. I can't say I am objective
Yeah.
for that question, but I give 10.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I will ask my mamas because she is more objective. Anneciğim, I have to ask my question
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Turkish because
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Anneciğim, Filipin'e sıfırdan ona bir puan vermen gerekirse kaç puan verirsin genel olarak? Gördüğün güzellikler, iyisi, kötüsü. 8. Tamam. 2 puanı niye kırdın?
Biraz kirli. Trafiği çok güzel.
Okay. My mama give 8 points to
Thank you so
Filipin.
much, man.
And I
It's
asked
very
her,
big help.
why you cut the 2 points? Why
Yeah.
not 10? Why it is not 10 but 8? She said that it could be 8, it could be 10, but it is 8 because of the traffic
Yeah, that's topic. We need to improve. That's true.
polluted routes and also polluted rivers.
Yeah, that's
That's
true.
why.
That's also right. I totally agree with that one.
What
And thank you
made
so
you
much for the Philippines for your vacation.
Yeah, at first my reason is the wonderful beaches.
Okay, thank you so
And-
much for that
And
compliment.
other countries they also have nice beaches, but also people able to speak English here. So it is my first reason because I need to be communicate with people, local people, not just residents, not just beach. So that's why I choose Philippines. And I never regret to choose here. Every my vacation I come here.
You always come here, sir, right?
Yeah, it is my fourth time.
For
now.
time. So this time, you bring your mom
Yes,
together with
yes,
you.
it's my
sir.
first time for my mom.
Thank
What's
you,
your
ma'am. First impression of Cebu or Philippines or the Filipino people in general?
Yeah, most first of all, smile face.
Oh, okay.
I noticed that one, and it's very
That's
good.
true.
Yeah, even you feel yourself stressful when you start to talk with Filipino people. Generally, problem is solving easily because of their smile face. Then they are friendly. You are friendly.
Yeah,
Thank you
I am.
for that one.
Thank you also, sir.
And I don't feel discrimination here much because in some other countries, some people doesn't like tourists, some people doesn't like foreigners. But
Yeah.
I didn't feel any discrimination here.
That's true.
Maybe there is, but I never feel
Yeah.
that one. Yeah.
How
Because-
does Cebu or Siargao compare to other countries or places you visited?
To be honest,
Yes.
I like Filipina people and I like Philippine,
Okay.
but most of time I just try to escape cities in Philippines.
Yes, sir.
I prefer islands.
You love islands.
I like islands because it is the maintenance of the city is not much well.
I
because
agree.
it is not easy for walk because the pedestrian walks, sidewalks are very limited and sometimes there is
Very crowded.
scooter,
Yeah.
crowded. And just in Davao,
Okay.
have
You
been
went there also in Davao.
I have been there also Davao, but it is better Davao because of the just maintenance, better maintenance. They are
Okay.
not they are not more wealthier than Cebu or Manila, but better maintenance. That's why I don't like much Filipino cities, but I love your beach
Beach.
islands.
Yeah.
And Cebu is a very nice hub because if you want to go Palawan, if you want to go Siargao or Bohol, anywhere, it's in the middle of the best place in Philippines.
Yeah, I agree
Yeah,
with
that's
you.
why every time, whenever I come, I at least 1 or 2 times visit Cebu.
Thank you for visiting Cebu, and thank you. You went also to
And
Davao.
also your airport. It's very nice airport.
Yeah.
Yeah, not very big, but modern and nice.
Thank
What's
you so
your
much for
favorite
that.
Filipino food or street food you've tried so far? If you tried yet or not yet?
Yeah, I tried a lot of one. I I always forget its name.
Yeah,
but
yeah, it's
if I
okay.
describe you, you will understand. It is eggplant with egg,
Yeah, that's
especially for breakfast. People
yeah.
eating that one.
that's why
Talong,
talong.
talong,
Yeah.
and egg.
The egg, yeah.
Yeah, I forget its name. It is my favorite. I also like sisig.
Sisig is very nice also.
Yeah, but my next favorite is I like fish. I like all kind
Okay.
of fish, but I forget some. Dorado fish. Do you know that one? You
Dorado.
also the mahi.
Mahi.
Mahi,
Yeah, yeah.
mahi. It was so lummy.
Yeah,
I like
lamb,
that one.
you,
Delicious.
you know some
Yeah.
Cebuano's language. It's very nice also.
Yeah, I
uh,
sometimes eat lechon, especially when there is some birthday party,
Yeah, yeah.
there is some maybe wedding events, something like that. They always make lechon. Maybe what you tell me is something different. I don't know, but
Yeah, yeah.
the regular one I tried.
You tried
Yeah,
already.
yeah.
Thank you for
Would
that.
you, would you recommend Cebu or Philippines to your friends back home? Why or why not?
Yeah, because of for my country,
Yeah.
in the winter we have a cold climate, so some people doesn't like cold.
Oh, okay.
So for all of them, because in our cold, I mean, not just in country, but the North Hampshire, after December generally very cold, December and January. So I prefer people who like hot weather and who like beach,
Okay.
who like friend faces and nice vacation. I advise all of them to visit Philippines.
Thank you so much for that, sir. It was my
And if they are planning to visit Philippines, certainly they should come Cebu
yeah.
and Palawan, Siargao, Bohol, all Negros Oriental, yeah, all nice places generally around to Cebu.
So most of the places you mentioned, did you visited them all?
Yes,
Oh my goodness!
we just turned back from Palawan tour. It
Oh,
was very nice. Puerto Princesa, El Nido,
you know,
so we enjoyed.
I've never been there in Palawan. Even I am Filipino, but I've never been
Yeah,
there.
you should try.
That's my dream also.
You should try
I
because
would.
because flight tickets from Cebu to Palawan is not much pricey, but Manila to Palawan is pricey.
Yeah.
So
I
you should
understand.
check and you should try maybe one weekend, 3 days,
If
4 days is
If you
I will
could
try that.
describe Cebu or Philippines vacation in one word, what it be and why? If you can describe during your vacation in Philippines.
one word is very difficult, but I can say warm hearts people
Okay.
or friendly face.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
agree. Totally agree.
Yeah, warm because people are warm and the weather is warm.
Yeah.
So ocean is warm. So warm. If it is one word.
Okay.
But
Last
Thank you so
question
much.
is, sir, any message to my followers on my YouTube channel, for my followers and viewers in my YouTube channel?
yeah, you should send more like to him, and I will start to follow him also. And likes help him to improve his channel.
Thank you so much, sir, for the
Yeah.
recommendation. And for both of you, sir and ma'am, enjoy your vacation in Philippines. I know
Thank
you will enjoy.